just discussed the very important questions related with the different formulas, different definitions of union, intersection, disjoint and difference of the sets. This exercise is very important of NCERT book 1.4. I will discuss the questions related with the these definitions and exercise NCERT book exercise, that is 1.4. This is very important, and I think you will understand the concept as well as the solution of the question. Let me start, but before starting the solution of the question, it is your duty to help to the student, and you can help to your friends only when if you are going to like my video, you are going to share my videos, you are press your bell so that my each and every video will reach to you as early as possible, and subscribe my channel. Okay, let me start the solution of the question. Question number 1. Here it is given, find the union. You see question number 1 in your book. Find the union. From easy to difficult questions I will take related to union X, union Y. Union means you must have to write all the elements inside the braces. Okay, but you must have to keep in mind, in the union each and every element will be inside the union, either in X or in Y or in both. दोनों में भी हो सकता है. देखिए 1 यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर भी है. लेट मी राइट 1 2 यहाँ पर है. Only once you will write the element. 3 यहाँ पर भी है, 3 यहाँ पर भी. You will have to write it once only. Okay, and 5. This is union of the two sets. Very simple. Let me take suppose the second part of it. Second part, because that is also, second part is also easy. I am telling you these questions so that you will feel that you will understand the procedure. You will feel that it is very simple. And set A, first of all let me write the set A. Set A is A, E, I, O, U. I told you many times regarding this set. This is the set of vowels, and set B will be equal to A, B and C. This is set B. What will be its union? Similarly, you must take all the elements. Elements should not be repeated. Okay, A is here. Let me write A. E is here. B is here. B is not here. Let me write B. C is here. It is not here. Let me write C. Okay, E, I, O and U. This is the union of these sets. Each and every element I told you will be inside the union of the two sets, either in A or in B or in both the sets. Okay, but you will have to write one element only once, not twice or thrice. Okay, this is the rule of the sets. If it is given, then it will be treated as same as per the elements 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me take the third part. Very important part is there, third part. Okay, let me write it. It is given A. In the set builder form it is given. What is that? X such that X is a natural number. You see carefully, try to understand. Natural number. X is a natural number. One more thing it is given. And multiple of 3. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And multiple of 3 is also there. Okay, that is why you see B. दोनों चीजें हैं इसके अंदर. नेचुरल नंबर तो है लेकिन मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, 3, 6, 9, everything is there. Okay, B set X such that X is a natural number. Natural number. X is a natural number, but thing is that is a natural number. What natural number? Less than 6. Less than 6. इससे ज्यादा नहीं है भाई. 6 से कम ही है नेचुरल नंबर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only up to here. Less than 6. 6 will not be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B सेट में मैं थोड़ा सा लिख देता हूं यहाँ पर so that you will understand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that you will understand. Okay. You see here. What will be union? Union of A, union B. ये नेचुरल नंबर तो यहाँ पर भी है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, लेस देन 6 यहाँ पर भी है, बट इसके मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 भी हैं. तो मैं क्या करूं इसमें? इस यूनियन A union B will be equal to X as that. You write it is in this form. X as that. X will be equal to what? It will be equal to 1, 2, 4, 5 and multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Because you see 1, 2, 4, 5 these are here, यहाँ पर भी हैं, ये देखिए यहाँ पर भी है, ओके। और यहाँ पर क्या है, नेचुरल नंबर तो है ही, यहाँ पर भी नेचुरल नंबर है, ये सब कॉमन है, लेकिन इसे नेचुरल नंबर क्या है, लेस देन 6, लेस देन 6 मीन अप टू हियर, इसलिए मैंने लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर। एंड इट विल बी इक्वल टू x such that x 1, 2, 4, 5 and multiple of 3, all the multiples of 3 because here it is given that should also be inside the union। और ये नेचुरल नंबर हमने यहाँ तक लेना है 5 तक, क्योंकि इसमें कंडीशन भी दी हुई है। और मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 ले लीजिए आप, जहां पे लेना x, that is this one, okay। This thing you must have to keep in mind and it is a very very important question which you must have to write। But here you will have to write, what you will write, or, because in the union you must have to write or, not and, okay, otherwise it will be problematic, okay। You must have to see A union B will be equal to x such that x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 3 I have not taken because I have taken the 3 here, multiple of 3, multiple of 3 is here, natural number less than 6, I have taken this one, 1, 2, 4, 5, we have taken 1, 2, 4, 5, okay, and multiple of 3, this is the union of these two sets, okay। Let me take the another question, see in your book, that is the fourth part, let me take, fourth part, which is also simple question, fourth part. See in your book, x a, set A is given, this is x such that x is a natural number, but condition is there, what natural number, and condition is there, what condition, x lies in between 6 to but greater than 1, okay। B that is also the set of x such that, what is it, B, x is a natural number, it is also a natural number, but what kind of natural number, less than 10, greater than 6. Then A union B, you tell me what will be A union B, A union B, you see, what will be A union B, x such that x is a natural number, see carefully, natural number, what kind of natural number, means n belongs to natural number, और क्या कंडीशन है, what will be the condition, what is the condition, x greater than 1, you see greater than 1 means 2, okay, 2 greater than means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 भी आ जाएगा इसके अंदर, okay। You see this carefully and it is a very very important question is given, this thing, okay। तो क्या आ जाएगा, x की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी भाई, that is x lies in between, let me write it in the standard form, 10 up to 10, less than 10 but greater than 1, see the elements, यहाँ पे देख लीजिए, greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, greater than 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is why all the elements will be there, this will be the union of these two sets, okay। Let me take another important questions, question number 2, you will see, question number 2, which is very very important question, question 2, let me write the elements which are given over here, let A will be equal to A comma B, okay, and set B will be equal to, very important set is given, A, B and C, see carefully, you will have to write two things, is A is a subset of B, second thing A union B, you will write these two things you will have to find out, okay। Let me take, is A is a subset of B, see all the elements of A are in B, yes, all elements of A are in set B, okay। तो what happened, देखिए, one A is here, B is here, B is here, A is a subset of, yes means A is a subset of B, A is a subset of, इसका यूनियन भी निकाल सकते हैं, सेकंड पार्ट, व्हाट विल बी द सेकंड पार्ट, A union B, A union B will be equal to what? A is here, A is here, B is also there, okay? C is here, but it is not here. A union B will be ABC. ABC will be equal to what? Set B. You see, like that also you can write. Okay, that is why very important thing we are discussing. Let me take some more things which are very, very important and which will play the very important role to find out the solution of different questions. My dear student, these are very important questions. Question number 3, let me take. Question number 3. You see, because I told you repeatedly, I am telling you, you must be aware about the formula. Let question number 3. 3 you see in your book. If A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, then what is A union B? Okay, very important thing. Question you see in your book, A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B, it is given. A and B are the two subsets, A is a subset of B. First thing, let me take the example. Let 1, 2, 3. And let me take the B, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like that. A is a subset of B, all the elements of A are in B, that is why A is a, so A is a subset of B. Okay, then second case, what will be the second case? Second case it will be, what is A union B? A union B you will have to find out. Similar kind of question just I told you. Union, 1 is here, 2, 3 and 4 is also here, that will be set. You see set B is there, okay. Very important thing I am discussing with you. And my dear student, you will have to see, you will have to find out each and everything. Let me find out one part in question number 4. My dear student, rest questions you will have to practice question number 4. एक पार्ट मैं आपको बताऊंगा जो काफी important part होगा. Okay? Let me write all the sets here. If A is equal to, what are the elements in A? 1, 2, 3 and 4. सेट बी बता दीजिए, सेट बी में क्या क्या है भाई? 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is set B. Okay, and set C will be there 5, 6, 7, 8. Set C. And set D will be equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever it may be, different sets are given. Okay, up to D, but I will take the few sets. Let me find out the value of fifth part, or you can take the fourth part also you can take. All are same, likely to be same. Okay, in fifth part it is given 3 sets. Find, you will have to find very important thing, A union B union C. This thing you will have to find out. My dear student, let me find out first of all the value of A union B. Whatever the set will come, you can write with union C. Now find out A union B first of all. To make it easy only, okay? It will be equal to what? A union B. Those are elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 up to here only. 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here, 6 is here. Okay, but now क्या निकालना हमको? What you will find out? A union B union C. In place of A union B, you will write what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. यूनियन विद सी, सी सेट. व्हाट इज द सी? इन दोनों का यूनियन निकाल देंगे. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Union, its union will be, each and every element will be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 is here, 2 is here, up to 4. These are the elements of this set. And 5 is here, 5 is also here. I have given 5, 6 is here, 6 is here, 6 is here, 7, 8, these are not here, here. 7 and 8. That is why it will be the union of these two sets. Like that you can find out. First of all, you find out the union of two, then you find out its union with the third set. That is a very important question. Okay, let me take some more important questions from your book, which are very, very important. And similarly, you can find out the intersection also. एक पार्ट चलिए इसमें भी बता देता हूं मैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का फर्स्ट पार्ट, इंटरसेक्शन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, बता दीजिए। ओनली द कॉमन एलिमेंट विल बी देयर। ए में कॉमन कौन कौन से है? 3 4, ओनली 3 4 आर देयर। दिस विल बी द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ these sets, okay, like that you can find out. I will tell you the very very important question. This is very very important. Now one part I am going to tell you, question number 7, okay, one part because it is important question. 7, question number, let me remove this thing, let me take question number 7. What is given? Set A and B, I am writing set A. If A is equal to what? It is given in the set builder form, x of that x is a natural number, is a natural number. Okay, next you see B, set B is what? B is what? X, such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. It is an odd natural number, you see. It is carefully see. Okay? And you will have to find out its intersection. Solution. Intersection. Carefully you will have to see. Intersection. What will be the intersection? X is a natural number, odd even numbers are there. चलिए मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लिख देता हूँ, so that you will be benefited. 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. ठीक है भाई, और यहाँ पर क्या है भाई, बी में क्या आ जाएगा? X is an odd natural number, means 1 3 5 7 and so on. A intersection B means common element. What will be the common element? What will be the common element? देखिए यहाँ पे तो सारे हैं और यहाँ पर केवल और है, तो क्या बचेगा ये बता दो। इवन नेचुरल नंबर बचेगा। देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है, 1 1 यहाँ पर भी है, ठीक है ना। और उसके बाद यहाँ पे 2 3, या तो सारे नंबर हैं, यहाँ पे केवल क्या नंबर है, और नेचुरल नंबर। तो आप मुझे बता दीजिए ए इंटरसेक्शन बी में तो कॉमन एलिमेंट आएंगे ना, जो कॉमन होंगे। व्हाट आर द कॉमन एलिमेंट? 1 3 5 और नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं, इवन तो इसमें नहीं है, तो क्या आ जाएगा इंटरसेक्शन में? 2 4 6 8 एंड सो ऑन। दैट इज व्हाई आप इसको कैसे लिखोगे? सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, x such that x is a or even natural, that will be even, because और तो पहले आ गया, even natural numbers. Very important thing, natural numbers. What an important question is there. You must have to write like that. Okay? Let me take the very important question. Question number 9 का भी एक पार्ट बता देता हूं मैं आपको. You must have to see. Question number 9. One part you see. Question number 9. Okay? Question number 9. It is if. You see, I will write the two sets. A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. This is the set A. And set B is what? I told you such questions along with the definition 12, 16 and 20. Along with the definition of the disjoint set. और difference of the sets. ये सारी चीजें मैंने आपको बताई हैं. Okay? That is why first part. Find, क्या निकालेंगे भाई? A minus B निकाल दीजिए. A minus B का मतलब क्या हुआ? What does it mean? A में तो बिलोंग करता है बट B में नहीं है. A में कौन कौन से है? देखिए 3 A में है, 3 लिख दीजिए, B में नहीं है. 6 है यहाँ पर, देखिए 6 यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर नहीं है. और क्या है हमारे पास? जो केवल A के हैं, A में होना चाहिए, बिलोंग्स टू A बट डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू B. वही एलिमेंट आएंगे, ठीक है. 12 यहाँ पे, 12 यहाँ पर भी है, 15 नहीं है. इसके बाद 20 है, 18 नहीं है और 21 नहीं है. These elements. This is A minus B. Belongs to A but does not belongs to B. B में नहीं मिलेगा. A में तो है बट B में नहीं है. देखिए वही चीजें मैंने लिखी, ठीक है. जो B के एलिमेंट है वो तो लिखे 8, 12, 16, 20. एक्सेप्ट दीज एलिमेंट्स यू विल हैव टू राइट इन a माइनस बी। और b माइनस ए इसी पर करते हैं तब क्या होगा, b माइनस ए जो b में तो बिलोंग करेगा बट a में बिलोंग नहीं करेगा, तो उसमें क्या क्या आ जाएंगे, 4 भी आ जाएगा, 8 भी आ जाएगा, 16 आ जाएगा और 20 भी आ जाएगा, लाइक दैट यू कैन फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन। लेट मी टेक सम मोर क्वेश्चंस। इसी तरह से सिमिलरली यू कैन फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अदर क्वेश्चंस which will be helpful for you because I am telling you that I am discussing the very important cases for you. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 वही सेम क्वेश्चन है। चलिए if let me take if x will be equal to, क्या है भाई x बता दीजिए, a b c and d, this is x, और y बता दीजिए क्या है भाई, let me take the y, f b d और g। अच्छा x y माइनस वाई फाइंड, सेम थिंग, क्या क्या हो जाएगा बताइए, बिलोंग्स टू x बट डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू y। क्या है भाई, a यहां पर देखिए, यहां पर है ना, b यहां पर है और क्या है c, मेरे ख्याल से d भी यहां पर है, g भी है यहां पर, a नहीं है और क्या नहीं है, c नहीं है, बाकी तो है d और d है। इट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इट, वेरी सिंपल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, that is a very very important question my dear student, repeatedly I am telling you this question, but I think ये तो आपको पता चल गया होगा। R is the set of real numbers, if R is the set of real number, real number means you must know rational and irrational number both are in the real number, okay, that is first set। R is the set of, and Q is a कैसा सेट है, Q is a set of rational number, is a set of rational number, rational number, ठीक है। माय डियर स्टूडेंट मुझे बता दीजिए R माइनस Q क्या होगा, X such that X is ए सेट ऑफ, देखिए रियल नंबर में से रेशनल नंबर माइनस कर देंगे, इज ए सेट ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर। आप ऐसे लिखना चाहते हो ऐसे लिख दीजिए, और यदि ऐसा नहीं लिखना चाहते तो क्या करेंगे, दैट इज क्यू, सेट ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर। ऐसे लिख सकते हैं सेट ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर। अब सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में इसको भी लिख सकते हैं, इसको भी लिख सकते हैं, सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर x such that set of real number, x such that set of rational number, okay, and it will be like that. Very simple questions these are, disjoint sets। अच्छा disjoint set का मैं एक क्वेश्चन बता देता हूं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में एक पार्ट बता देता हूं इसमें, because that is simple as per the definition I have discussed each and every question। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 देखिए, फर्स्ट पार्ट, स्टेट वेदर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स, जस्टिफाई योर आंसर, फर्स्ट पार्ट। अब एक सेट तो ले लेता हूं मैं 2 3 4 एंड 5। चलिए इसको सेट में ए एज्यूम कर लेता हूं सपोज। अच्छा बी सेट क्या है भाई बताइए, मैं इसलिए लिख रहा हूं भाई जिससे आपके समझ में आ जाए, 3 6 ए बी की फॉर्म में। बताइए कैसे सेट्स हैं, इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन निकाल दीजिए आप। देखो 3 यहां पर है ना, 3 आ गया इसका इंटरसेक्शन, और मैंने क्या बोला था, इफ A intersection B is equal to 5, then A and B sets are disjoint, otherwise no, disjoint, these are disjoint sets, otherwise no। यहां पे तो आ गया ना, so A and B are not disjoint, ये disjoint नहीं है, these are not disjoint sets, disjoint sets। Like that you can find out the solution of the question, my dear student। I explain each and everything in a proper way, and मेरे ख्याल से मेथड तो मैं कई बार बता चुका, मेथड भी आपकी समझ में आ गया होगा, और each and every question you understand, and thing is that you must have to do the work regularly। Thank you to all of you।